Houthi rebels claim. Yemen's Houthi rebels have asserted their responsibility for the downing of a U.S. MQ-9 Reaper drone. The evidence supporting their claim surfaced online, showing what seems to be the burning debris of the military UAV. The incident is said to have occurred in the Marib province, a strategic location still under the control of the Yemeni government's allies. Military spokesperson's statement. Brigadier General Yahya Saree, speaking for the Houthi military, announced that the drone was targeted and hit by a surface-to-air missile on a Thursday night. He accused the UAV of performing hostile actions over Houthi-controlled areas. The rebels bolstered their claim by releasing videos that purportedly show the missile launch and the drone being hit, with night vision footage included for dramatic effect. U.S. military's response. The U.S. military has acknowledged awareness of the incident but has not confirmed the downing of the drone. The history of previous drone losses to the Houthis since 2014 adds some weight to the rebels' claims. The Houthis have access to advanced weaponry capable of high-altitude attacks, likely supplied by Iran, their main ally. Drone specifications and cost. The MQ-9 Reaper drone, valued at approximately $30 million, is capable of operating at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet and can remain airborne for up to 24 hours without refueling. Maritime aggression. The Houthis have also shown aggression at sea, launching over 50 attacks on maritime vessels in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden since November. These actions, which include the seizure and sinking of vessels, are part of their strategy to pressure Israel to end the conflict in Gaza, a war that has resulted in a significant death toll. Impact of U.S.-led airstrike campaign. Although the frequency of Houthi assaults has decreased due to a U.S.-led airstrike campaign against them in Yemen, the threat to shipping remains. This has led to continued caution and a reduction in traffic through the critical waterways of the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden.